Most of the companies that I've been with, there's a mission statement, there's a vision statement, and that's what the company wants to be. And there's very few companies where I've seen that the culture or the way things are done around here gets codified. And the way it's codified, and we call it the SICK way.
The SICK way is made up of 5 different pillars that describe really who we are and how it is that we operate.
One of my favorite pillars of the SICK way is trusting in yourself and others. And what that really means to our employees is that we trust each other to be the best that we can be, to bring our best selves to work. And it also means to have that entrepreneurial spirit where you're trusted in your job, that whatever role you play in your role in the organization, we trust you to actually do that very same job.
What really attracted me towards the SICK way of culture is this tenet called winning as one unified team. This kind of summarizes why SICK is succeeding in what it's doing, because we solve problems together and we work as a team, and that really kind of sums up SICK's vision for me as well.
We want our employees to be able to express themselves, whether it's their opinions on a particular project or whether it's giving feedback on the right way of a process or a procedure. It's about valuing what our employees have to say in their everyday work.
The reason I would say it's important to have this kind of culture here at SICK is that by using all of our backgrounds together, we're really able to adapt and evolve with the way that automation is also adapting and evolving. It's always constantly moving, so by working together, we can always continue to find the next best solution for our customers.
The reason why I feel that people should work at SICK is because SICK provides a very conducive environment to learn new things, new technology, and apply their skill sets and grow within SICK pretty well.
If you are an individual that wants to grow, that wants to be challenged, that wants to learn, that wants to be a part of a very successful company, then SICK is for you.